It's not just bank account balances that separate the rich from the middle class. The richest and most successful people think differently. Getting rich begins with the way you think and what you believe about making money, writes self-made millionaire Steve Siebold in How Rich People Think, which he wrote after studying millionaires for more than 25 years. After hundreds of interviews, Siebold found that it is not a lack of desire that keeps people from getting rich, but a lack of confidence in their own ability to do it. These are 6 mental tricks that rich people use to get ahead. Rich people aren't afraid to fund their future from other people's pockets. If they come up with a great idea they're unable to finance, they proceed to use other people's money to make it happen. Siebold writes, "Rich people know not being solvent enough to personally afford something is not relevant. The real question is this worth buying, investing in, or pursuing? If so, the wealthy know money is always available because rich people are always looking for great investments and superior performers to make those investments profitable. While the middle class sets their financial expectations low so they're never disappointed, the rich set their expectations exceptionally high. They're up for any challenge," Siebold says. No one would ever strike it rich and live their dreams without huge expectations. He writes, "Ancient wisdom says you get what you expect, yet many people decide to limit their lives to middle-class mediocrity in an effort to protect themselves from failure. Once they set ambitious goals, they immediately start looking for ways to tackle them. Champions don't wait for things to happen, they make things happen. Rich people think of business, life, and earning as a game, and it's a game they love to win," writes Siebold. This is the reason millionaires still go to work every day chasing their next success. Money to these people is no more than a gauge that tells them when they have achieved their latest target. Rich people consider money one of their greatest allies and friends, writes Siebold. It is a friend that has the power to end sleepless nights of worry, physical pain, and can even save their life. While wealthy people believe money can solve problems and purchase peace of mind, the middle class sees money as a never-ending necessary evil that must be endured as part of life, he says. The great ones are operating at a level of consciousness where fear doesn't exist, Siebold explains. At this level of thought, anything seems possible. Every dream that seems crazy to the masses looks surprisingly doable. To operate at this level, you have to be willing to leave your comfort zone, which is exactly what the richest people do, Siebold says. The rich believe that success, fulfillment, and happiness are the natural order of existence. Siebold writes, "This single belief drives the great ones to behave in ways that virtually guarantee their success. On the flip side, the middle class struggles because they expect to," the self-made millionaire explains. The masses think they aren't worthy of great wealth. Who am I, they ask themselves, to become a millionaire? Try asking, why not me? After all, that's what the wealthiest people do.